Imagine putting all the effort to prepare for your imports, only to be rejected at the US border due to non-compliance with certain restrictions. That's why it is essential to completely understand the licenses and registrations requirements for your imports. The United States is one of the largest importers of goods in the world. Every year, millions of tons of products arrive at ports across the country. But did you know that there are regulations and restrictions on what can be imported into the United States? Do you know why? Well, the US government is interested in protecting the economy, consumer health, domestic plants, and animal life. My name is Juan Lara, and today I will be talking about one of the most crucial steps in the importing process: understanding the licenses and restrictions requirements for your imports. During the next few minutes, I will give you some examples of products that need either a license or have some kind of restriction. So let's get started. The importation of various products into the United States is subject to regulations and standards set by different government agencies. These include safety standards for consumer products, energy performance standards for household appliances and commercial equipment, and regulations for food, drugs, cosmetics, and medical devices. The Department of Agriculture, for example, has regulations that must be met for the importation of certain agricultural commodities, live animals, meat and poultry products, plants and plant products, and tobacco products. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in refusal of importation, holding at the port of arrival, and destruction of the shipment. On the other hand, the Nuclear Regulatory Commission also has regulations for the importation of radioactive materials. Energy standards and labeling requirements also apply to certain household appliances. Textile fiber products imported into the United States must be labeled with certain information. First, the constituent fibers listed in order to predominance by weight, with any fiber present in amounts of 5% or less designated as other fiber and appearing last in the list. Number two, the name of the manufacturer or the name or identification number issued by the Federal Trade Commission of the person or persons marketing or handling the product. Number three, the name of the country where the product was processed or manufactured. Number four, additional labels telling how to wash or take care of the product. Certain classes of merchandise may be prohibited or restricted from importation. For example, there are restrictions on the importation of certain types of fur, trademarks and trade names, copyrighted materials, wildlife and pets, matches, fireworks, knives, and products of convict or forced labor. There are also laws regulating the importation of cultural artifacts. The United States restricts the importation of certain archaeological and ethnographic materials from countries such as Bolivia, Cyprus, Cambodia, and Italy, among others, to prevent the pillage of cultural heritage. Federal law also prohibits the importation of stolen cultural property. Now, the Office of Foreign Assets Control also imposes sanctions on certain countries, companies, and individuals. The United States Trade Representative may suspend the normal trade relations rate of duty and substitute a substantially higher duty rate on designated products from a foreign country found to be discriminating against U.S. products. In conclusion, importing goods into the United States can be complex with various regulations and standards set by the different government agencies. It's important to stay informed and comply with these regulations. We encourage you to check the relevant agency websites and sign up for notification system to stay up to date on any changes or actions that may affect your imported goods. We would love to hear about your experiences with importing goods into the United States. Have you faced any challenges or obstacles when importing goods? Do you have any tips or advice for others who are new to the process? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. We look forward to hearing from you. If you found this information helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more updates and tips on importing goods into the United States. You can also share this video with anyone who may find it useful. Thank you for watching and see you soon.